Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to explain you about the present tense of to be in negative and question forms. Well, we must use to be after subject plus not plus adjective, noun, and adverb. I am, you are not. I am not, you are not, or you aren't. He is not or he isn't. She is not or she isn't. It is not or it isn't. We are not or we aren't. They are not or they aren't. Example: I'm not a doctor. You are not an engineer. He is not a soldier. She is not a nurse. It is not a pig. We aren't lazy. They aren't here. John is a soldier. John is not a soldier. Nancy isn't a teacher. They aren't lazy. We aren't lazy. I'm not late today. You aren't late today. We are tired today. The sky is not cloudy. It is negative. In question form, am I late today? Are you early today? Is today Sunday? Is he a teacher? Is she a nurse? Are we in the classroom? Are they here? Are John and Henry brothers? Is Nancy a teacher? Is it a dog? Are we busy today? Are they here? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching.